Making the lever could be pretty tricky, but all we need to do is get this point, the pivot point, in relation to this flat spot here, in relation to this little stop block. So if we get all those points proper, when everything touches, we should have this perfect 3/32 line here. So that's going to be the thickness of your tortilla. To make the lever, we're first going to make a template using 5/8 inch MDF because it's easy to work. I like to use 5/8 because it's harder to make a mistake during the sanding process. There's going to be a 3/8 inch hole at this point to attach the lever to the strong block. We're going to measure 1 3/8 inches from the back and 1 3/8 from the top. Find something close to a 2 3/4 inch circle, and then flush with the top and the back, and then trace that circle onto the template. The next part is to measure where the lever touches the slab. So we're going to need a flat spot on the bottom here. So where this point here is where the slab is going to meet the lever. Let's measure from the back 2.5 inches and 4.5 inches. And then we'll grab our square and square those lines up. And where the lever touches the slab is 2.5 inches from the top of the lever. So we'll measure down 2.5 inches. And then link those lines up. Let's measure now for the stop block. From the back, we're going to measure 12 3/4 and 13.5 inches. We'll square those lines up. And then pretty much now all we need to do is just link all these lines up. So we're going to take round stuff, link it up, erase the lines that we don't need. Same with over here. We'll take that 2 3/4 inch can again and draw some circles around the stop block. And then pretty much erase the lines and link everything else up. So I'm using a hacksaw blade here because it bends nice and easy. So just make the lines in nice, erase what you don't need, and get on. So pretty much your press is done. So get a plastic bag, make some masa, put the ball in there, and press it up. Stick the masa in a hot pan and fresh corn tortilla.